What if your dreams held secrets even you didn't know, and an AI could unlock them? Imagine waking up from a bizarre dream about flying through a city made of cheese, and instead of just shrugging it off, you could have an AI tell you exactly what your subconscious was trying to communicate. Get ready to explore a fascinating future where personalized understanding of your inner world is just a click away. We're on the cusp of a revolution where machines might be able to decipher the complex, chaotic, and often beautiful narratives of your sleep, offering insights we once thought were impossible. Forget those generic dream dictionaries. The future of understanding your subconscious is here and is powered by artificial intelligence. For centuries, we've been fascinated by our dreams. They're these nightly movies our brains produce, filled with everything from our deepest fears to our wildest fantasies. Think about it, ancient civilizations saw them as messages from the gods. Then came pioneers like Sigmund Freud, who believed dreams were a direct line to our repressed desires, a sort of wish fulfillment. His contemporary, Carl Jung, had a different take. He saw dreams as a way for our subconscious to communicate with our conscious mind, using a universal language of symbols and archetypes to help us achieve balance and wholeness. Even with all these theories, the modern mind is still captivated. We wake up, we remember fragments of a strange journey, and we can't help but wonder, what did that mean? We post about our weird dreams online, we tell our friends, we Google, what does it mean to dream about your teeth falling out? We are still on this ancient quest for meaning in our nocturnal narratives. But what if I told you that technology, specifically AI, is about to completely revolutionize this pursuit? This is where things get really interesting. How exactly can a machine, a collection of code and algorithms, begin to understand something as personal and abstract as a dream? It all starts with data. AI, particularly machine learning models, thrives on recognizing patterns in massive data sets. So, imagine an AI being fed millions of dream reports from people all over the world, along with information about their lives, their stresses, their emotions. The AI wouldn't just be looking for simple keyword connections, like water equals emotions. It would learn the complex, nuanced dream language of the human mind. It would start to understand how certain sequences of events, recurring symbols, and emotional tones in dreams correlate with real-world experiences and psychological states. We're already seeing the very early stages of this. Modern sleep trackers can monitor our sleep cycles, our heart rate, and our movements. Some apps even allow you to journal your dreams and then offer some basic AI-driven analysis. But the real promise lies in going much deeper, where we're talking about an AI that doesn't just identify symbols, but understands the emotional undercurrents of your dream. It could tell you not just that you dreamt of a storm, but that the specific feeling of helplessness you felt during that dream storm might be connected to a looming deadline at work you feel unprepared for. The potential here is for a level of personalized insight that has never been possible before. Of course, this incredible potential opens up a huge can of worms, raising some serious ethical and personal questions. Let's start with the big one: data privacy. Your dreams are arguably the most private, intimate part of your inner world. If an AI is analyzing them, who owns that data? The tech company? Could your dream data be sold to advertisers? Or used to build a psychological profile of you without your full consent? Imagine getting ads for anxiety medication because your dream AI noticed a spike in your stress-related nightmares. It's a bit of a dystopian thought. Then there's the risk of over-reliance. If you have an AI telling you what your dreams mean every morning, do you start to lose your own intuition, your own ability to reflect and understand yourself? We could become passive consumers of our own subconscious, waiting for the app to tell us how we feel, instead of doing the personal work of introspection. And let's not forget the black box dilemma. Many advanced AIs are so complex that even their creators don't fully understand how they arrive at their conclusions. Can we truly trust an interpretation if we don't know the logic behind it? It's a classic conflict. Are we gaining an objective, insightful tool? Or are we just outsourcing our self-reflection to a machine we don't fully understand? Despite these valid concerns, let's explore the transformative potential if we get it right. Imagine an AI as a perfect, non-judgmental mirror for your mind. It could track your dreams over months, even years, and highlight recurring themes, characters, and emotions that you might not have noticed yourself. It could point out, hey, you've dreamt about being unprepared for an exam 7 times in the last 2 months. And it always happens after a stressful week at work. Maybe we should look at your feelings of professional adequacy. This moves beyond simple interpretation and becomes a powerful tool for personalized mental wellness. The insights could be tailored specifically to you, helping you manage stress, spark creativity, or even solve complex problems. People often report finding solutions to problems in their sleep. An AI could help us consciously access and understand that subconscious problem-solving process. and it gets even bigger. By analyzing the dreams of millions of people, AI could potentially identify collective subconscious trends. What are we, as a society, dreaming about? What are our collective anxieties and hopes during a global crisis? For example, what are the common dream themes that emerge? This could give us an unprecedented real-time look into the psychological state of humanity. So, what does the future of our night lives look like? The possibilities are straight out of science fiction, but they might be closer than we think. We could see the rise of predictive dream analytics, where an AI might be able to foresee major emotional shifts, periods of intense creativity, or even oncoming mental health challenges based on changes in your dream patterns. It could act as an early warning system for your own mind. Then there's the truly wild stuff: interactive dreamscapes. Could AI be used to guide us into lucid dreaming, where we become aware that we're dreaming and can control the narrative? Imagine working through a phobia by confronting it in a safe AI-guided dream environment. Or what about dream modification? Could we ask an AI to help us craft dreams that boost our confidence, or help us practice a new skill? The lines between reality, technology, and our subconscious could become incredibly blurred. All of this leads to the ultimate question: will AI truly help us understand ourselves on a deeper level? Or will it just become a sophisticated machine that reflects back what we already know? Or worse, what we want to hear? Is it a shortcut to enlightenment, or just another technological distraction? The potential is immense, but so are the responsibilities. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, one thing is certain: the way we think about our dreams and ourselves is about to change forever. Thanks so much for exploring this mind-bending topic with me today. What are your thoughts on AI interpreting dreams? Would you use it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology and the human mind. See you in the next one.